As you can see today, we are going to cover 3 essential questions. These are actually going to show up in 3 different videos, but each question will be shown on this screen at the beginning. So today we're going to talk about how to solve problems that involve discount and tax. That'll be this video. The other 2 will be in different videos. So how do I solve problems that involve 2 discounts will be the second video, and how do I solve problems that involve tip and tax will be the last video. You should have picked up a paper as you walked into class today. We're going to look at some of these problems and help you through them. So, first section is discount and tax. See question 1, it's asking about a shirt that's $44.50. It's got a 40% discount and tax. So if you remember, a discount is a piece we get to take off. So here's the discount. And then what we actually pay is here. Whereas this whole thing is the original price of the shirt. So the first thing I've got to do before I can even touch the tax is I have to figure out what the discount is. I know I'm going to start with this, a proportion, with 100 on the bottom right. Because remember, it's part over whole equals percent over 100, or actual over original equals percent over 100. So our original price, which is right here, $44.50, needs to go on the bottom left, 44.5. The next question is what goes here? What is the percent value? So remember that this is 40%. Now I don't care about that 40% because that's what I'm not going to pay. So remember, this is the bit that's going away. I don't need that part anymore. The question is what's left over? Well, if the entire thing put together equals 100%, and we just threw away 40% of it, what's left? Well, that's just 100 minus 40, which is 60%. So I'm actually going to end up paying 60% of the cost of this shirt. So 60 goes here. Now I can use my mad math skills to solve this. So we know from cross multiply we're going to multiply these two. So 44.5 times 60. And then we're going to divide by what's left over. And if you put that all into your calculator, you'll notice that you end up with 26.70. So we know now that the shirt's on sale and it's now $26.70. Now I have to do the next step. And the next step is to figure out how much that tax is. So what I need to do is set up another proportion. We know we still have this. We know 100 goes in the bottom left. But this time, we're going to be using this value as the bottom right. So 26.70. And if you remember how tax works, tax is we have the original price, and then we add on tax. So it's more than 100%, because this is 100, and in this case this would be 4. So 100 plus 4, we're going to use 104. Now I can go back to my mad math skills. I can multiply 26.7 and 104, and then divide by 100. And what I end up with is 27.768. And there's a problem because money does not go to 3 decimal places. Money only goes to 2. So now what I have to do is I have to go back and figure out, well, does this stay at 76 cents or does it round up to 77? So what I do is I look at this number. This is in the 3rd decimal place. As you can see, it's an 8, which is larger than 5. So that means the 6 is going to become a 7. And so I end up with $27.77. And that is my final answer.